Hello students, in the last video we have seen about the primitive and non-primitive unit cells. Shall we recollect it again? Students, what are called as primitive unit cells and what are called as non-primitive unit cells? Okay, primitive in the sense the constituents ions will be present only in the corners of a cubic box. Cubic box in the sense that is the unit cell. Okay, unit cell only in the corners if the atoms are present mean such unit cell is called as primitive unit cells. Then in addition to corners, if there are atoms present either on faces or body center or edge center, then it is called as non-primitive unit cells, isn't it? Yes, we have seen about this in the last video and I told you a shortcut also, cute R mother, to remember the 7 types of primitive unit cells. What are the 7 types of primitive unit cells? Cubic, tetragonal, orthohedral, then monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal and rhombohedral. So these are the 7 types of primitive unit cells, and for every types of unit cell we have what is that edge length. நம்ம edge length பார்த்தோம், A, B, C ன்னு பார்த்தோம்ல. So their values as well as the angle between the edges is different. ஒவ்வொரு யூனிட் செல்லுக்கும் அந்த edge lengthம் ஒவ்வொரு edgeக்கும் உள்ள ஆங்கிளோட வேல்யூவும் they will be different. That is clearly shown in this picture. Okay, Mama? Okay. Then now we are going to see about Bravais crystal systems. Already we have 7 types of primitive unit cells, no? Based on that, a scientist called Bravais, okay, he has defined 14 possible crystal systems. In the ஏழையும் base பண்ணி வச்சு he has given how many crystal systems? 14 crystal systems. Let us see them one by one. In this table it is clearly given. First let us take cubic. Cubic na என்ன? The atoms will be present only in the corners. So first picture பாருங்க, cubic primitive, which means in a cubic box, primitive na enna, the atoms will be present only in the corners. So it is cubic primitive. Then adile second picture பாருங்க, cubic body centered. Body center na enna, அந்த cube உடைய centerல. So cornersலயும் atom இருக்கும். In the same way at the body center also atoms will be present. That is cubic body centered. Then in the cubic itself, third type is face centered. How many faces does a cubic box will have? Yes, it will have 6 faces. அப்படின்னா in addition to 8 corners, the atoms will be present at the faces of the cubic box. Okay, so cubic we have 3 types: cubic primitive, cubic body centered and cubic face centered. Then second one is tetragonal. Okay, tetragonal we have only 2 types: primitive and body centered. Primitive na atoms will be present only in the corners. Body center abdina atoms will be present in the corners as well as in the center of the cube. Okay, mama? Okay. Then third one is hexagonal. Hexagonal is different from normal cubic box. இப்போ மற்ற எல்லா கேஸ்ல நம்ம வந்து cubic box எடுப்போம், but here we won't take cubic box. Instead of a cubic box, we will take a hexagonal பாக்ஸ். ஒரு ஹெக்ஸகான் மாதிரி ஷேப் உள்ள ஒரு பாக்ஸை நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இமேஜின் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? ஹியர் ஒன்லி ஒன் டைப், தட் இஸ் ஹெக்ஸகானல் primitive. ஓகேவா? தென் ஃபோர்த் ஒன் இஸ் ஆர்த்தோரோம்பிக். ஹியர் வி ஹேவ் 4 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ்: primitive orthorhombic, body centered orthorhombic, face centered orthorhombic, basis face centered. இங்கே மற்ற எல்லாமே சேம் தான். Cubicனா நமக்கு தெரியும், only the atoms will be present in the corners. Then body center also we know, then face center also we know, but basis face centered means out of 6 faces, every cubic box has 6 faces, no? So out of those 6 faces, atoms will be present only in the opposite faces. மேலே உள்ள ஃபேஸ்லையும் கீழே உள்ள ஃபேஸ்லையும் மட்டும் ஆட்டம்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is called as faces face centered. ஓகேவா? ஓகே. Then monoclinic. Monoclinic we have only 2 types. One is primitive and basis face centered. Then trigonal. Trigonal primitive மட்டும்தான். Then triclinicலையும் primitive மட்டும்தான். So these are the 14 possible crystal system defined by Bravais as scientist. Okay, Mama? Okay, so based on primitive and non-primitive unit cells, we have these types. Okay, students, go through this video and have a better understanding. Thank you.